Let's see how to change the color of containers in Wix. So, first is we're going to add some containers here in the Elements button, and then here in the box, go to this container boxes. Let's add some boxes, like for example, this brown one. And let's add another box, container box, and this one. So to change color, we just have to click the container and then click this design button right here. And then we go customize design. After we press that, click this fill color and opacity. Click this and we see the color orange here, the color of our container. Just click this one. And here's a color picker. You can choose from your theme or the theme of your page, but you can also add some colors right here by clicking this add. And here you can choose colors you like. For example, you like the color green, like a color blue. You can drag this circle and choose the right color there. You like that, then if you're done, you can click apply. You can click apply, and then it's this color now. Click X, and that's it. And for example, you also wanted to have this kind of color. You can customize design, fill color and opacity. Here, you can also add this if ever there's no, or we did not make that kind of color, we can just add the color and then click this icon right here, and we can now go and pick what color we like. If we like this kind of color, or if we like this kind of color, this one or this color or this one, you can pick whatever color you like in the website. For example, this one, then we can go and apply. Then it's then all the same. So that's it. That's how to change the color of containers in Wix. See you soon.